Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am going to solve business taxation, in that assessment of the company, computation of tax liability under normal provision and MAT provision under section 115 JB. So let me see the problem. Infi Limited is engaged in the manufacturing and export of bags. Followed is the profit and loss amount of the company per assessment year 1819 they are given. Particular amount, this is the question. Raw materials consumed, wages and salaries, administration expenses, depreciation, other indirect expenses, provision per contingent liability, proposed dividend, net profit, they given 10 lakh rupees net profit, sales, local, export, excise duty drawback, cash subsidies, total 51 lakh 17,500. Let me see the adjustments. Other information, depreciation under IT Act, depreciation under IT Act, amount to rupees 1,20,000. Payment against on bill of rupees 50,000 was made to supplier in cash. Indirect expenses included custom penalty 12,000, convertible foreign exchange brought into India 34,500. So here, as per the books of accounts, as per the IT Act, brought forward business losses, brought forward business losses, rupees 2 lakh, as per the IT 3 lakh 50, brought forward unobserved depreciation 50,000 as per the books of accounts, and as per IT 1 lakh 25,000. Computer total income and tax liability of the company as per the normal provision of IT Act, MAT, as well as total liability. So this is the format first you need to take. First, calculation of business income as per normal provision. Next, one more, as per the 115 JB provision also let us calculate. Net profit as per the profit and loss account 10 lakh. Add inadmissible expenses or disallowed expenses not credited to profit and loss account. Indirect expenses 12,000. Payment in cash, so 50,000 into 100%, 50,000. Provision per contingency liability 40,000. Proposed dividend 100%, 2 lakh 2 lakh rupees. Total 3 lakh 2,000. 10 lakh plus 3 lakh 2,000, you will get 13 lakh 2,000. Admissible expenses less or allowable expenses. Depreciation 1 lakh 20,000 rupees minus 1 lakh 7,500, 1 lakh 7,500, 12,500. Income from business, the total value is 12 lakh 89,500 income from business. Calculation of total income, brought forward unobserved depreciation 1 lakh 25,000 in the problem they given. Brought forward business losses 3 lakh 50,000 rupees. This is brought forward unobserved depreciation, and brought forward business losses 3 lakh 50,000. 4 lakh 75,000 rupees less 12 lakh 89,500 minus 4 lakh 75,000, 8 lakh 14,500. Deduction nil, no deduction. The total income is 8 lakh 14,500. The tax liability per assessment year 1920, here 18 they are given. Tax on 8 lakh 14,500 into 30%, 2 lakh 44,350. No surcharges. When surcharges will apply means when the income is exceeds 1 crore, okay, now 1 crore, 10% surcharges. No surcharges here. 2,44,350 into 4%. Health and education cess 9,774. Tax liabilities 2,54,124 rupees. 124. This is total tax as per the normal provision. Let me say, as per the MAT provision, calculation of income under MAT provision or tax liability under 115 JB. Net profit as per the profit and loss account 10 lakh. Next, statutory additions are inadmissible. That's inadmissible items. Provision per contingency liability 40,000. Proposed dividend 2 lakh. Depreciation 1,07,500. Add these three values, you will get 3,47,500 along with 10 lakh, 13,47,500. Statutory deductions. So already I given the format. Brought forward losses are unobserved depreciation as per the books of accounts. Depreciation excluding depreciation, renovation assets. See, brought forward unobserved depreciation as per the books of accounts, whichever is less, 50,000 rupees. Depreciation 1,07,500. Total 1,57,500. Then you will deduct, after deduction 11,90,000 rupees you will get. Tax liability under section 115 JB 11,90,000 into 18.5% of tax 2,20,150. So no surcharges will apply here, nil. Then 2,20,150 at the rate of 4% education, health and education cess. The total tax liability under MAT provision 2,28,956. Under MAT provision 2,28,956. Under normal provision 2,54,124. So in that, rounded up, can take 2,28,950 or 960 and 2,54,120 or 130. So this is the method of calculating the taxable value and tax liability under normal and MAT provision. In this, whichever is higher is taxable.